Hello, welcome. This is DL English, and I will show you how to register as our tutor so you can upload your course. The first step is you go to our home page, DLENGLISH.VIP, and you click on Become a Teacher. And then you have to register this. So let me try. Login username. You can use, for example, AAA teacher. And email, I'm going to use my email here. Just show you. DLENGLISH.qq.com. You can use any email. Password, just any password. AA, but try not to be this simple. This is just for the demonstration purpose. A name, you can say, we used to have an account, Bruce Lee. Now we call it Jet Li. Location, anywhere. You can just click in Japan. Facebook is not required. Twitter is not always required, but if you have these things, that's are better. Specialty is kind of required thing. For example, if you're good at TOEFL and IELTS and SAT, and you click on that, remember, choose no more than 3 options. If you click on everything, that will be too much, and we don't know what are your expertise. Unless you really know all these things, you can write to us and we give you some exceptional, you're exempt from this one. You can teach multiple courses, but we still suggest you to start from 3 courses. Okay, and now what you can do is you can just make a file here. You put all your information in case that you forget. Your username is AAA teacher. And your register email is dlenglishclub@qq.com. Password is AAA11AA. Kind of forget, so let's reset that. AAA11AA. Just make sure you use the same password. AAA11AA, yeah. And your name is Jet Li. It's all you have to do. Just put a very simple document here. You can change any name as you want it. For example, DL English Tutor account. Okay. Now you're ready to go. You click on Register. Congratulations, you have been successfully registered. Please check your email to activate your account. So you have to activate your account. Already logged into my email. Okay, now we're here. So it passed for about 5 minutes or something, and usually if everything goes well, you will receive the email within just 2 minutes, no more than 10 minutes at most. So if you can't have email in your inbox, just make sure you check your spam email box. And this is DLENGLISH.VIP. Activate your account. So let's click in. And you just have to click the activate button and everything should be activated. But if you can't see this one, and make sure you copy and paste this one into the field. So now let's just click in this. And yeah, because you're using different email systems, so just proceed, whatever that is. Yeah, now it's here. This is the key, right? So if you haven't seen that, if you haven't seen this is already here, you haven't seen this key, what you can do is just you copy and paste this one into the field here, and you click activate. But most of the time, if you're successful, you can directly see it's already here. You click activate. All right, now you're activated. But you have to, now it seems like you can't create course yet, because now you're just like general account, and let's wait for the approval from DL English, and then you can create your course. So let's wait till you get passed.